come. You go to them and call them and contact them and join them. Somebody got only 2 joints, fingers have 3 joints. The skills of the member is more than skills of leader. बड़ा महाराज का स्किल छोटा महाराज इतना स्किल नहीं है. छोटा महाराज खाना पका सकता है, बड़ा महाराज खाना नहीं पका. But doesn't matter. These skills they cannot touch themselves, but the leader can touch the fingers. So not only contact people, he is in touch with them and bring their, so touch people and bring their leadership out without bending no work is done. Without bending no work is done. Therefore any work is done catching you to bend. Both the leader and member bend. Be humble. Vivekananda kaisa bana? Vinaya, Vijaya, Vivekananda. Vinaya, Vijaya, Viveka, Ananda. Swamiji was Vinaya, most humble to his Guru and his member. Even other Swami, he head of the mission, he was humble. Vijaya, whole world to jitya aaya. And Viveka, the knowledge. So let us give a big hand to Vinaya, Vijaya, Viveka. So we join them and make them bending to do it. And one thing, if you cut all the 4 members, can you do any work? No. All gaya to what alone he will do. If you cut him, they can do? No. So member requires leaders, leader requires members. Teacher requires students, student requires students. Bhagavan requires bhakta, bhakta requires Bhagavan. Even Bhagavan cannot do without bhakta. In Tirupati, in Tirupati all 1 lakh devotees have done a strike because Laddu is not good. Poor Balaji. 11 o'clock, normally Balaji is like this. But 11 o'clock nobody came, he become Pandura. So he also requires, so leader requires members, member requires leaders, then only do it. And a chota hai, but does big things. You may not be small. You have to do things, not big inputs, big money, big things. Even small things with little ideas, do better results. That is the economy. With little ideas, add more value addition. चमन करने सफर करने का है तो चमन में करो. अगर घूमने को जाने का है तो चमन में करो. सफर करने का है तो चमन में करो. बाजार में क्या रखा है? बाजार में क्या रखा है? कत्ल करने का है तो निगाहों से करो. तलवार में क्या रखा है? Go in a garden. What is there in the market? If you want to go for a walk, go to a garden. What is there in the market? If you want to kill a person, do with your eyes. What is the necessity of talwar? Just by look, win him. What is there in winning it? So, with little thing, you can do big things. That is the leadership. And finally, all the leaders, these people are Bhayamki, external oriented. They are looking at the world market, whereas he has 4 views. As a leader, you have 4 views. First is what view? It looks at the fingers. You can see a sound. People view, upper view, overall, and inner view. If sound is specially placed, it has 4 views: work view, people view, overall view, and inner view. Atma-Nirichan. You should have. When such a leadership is there, you can service, you can appreciate, you can worship, you can do all things. But there is one problem. Every team has got a problem, because in every team there is a troublemaker. One troublemaker is there. And in this case, this is the troublemaker. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Why do you do like this? I decided with you. Come out, I will take care of it. He threatens, he questions, he disagrees, he argues. Such a troublesome man, what the leader does? He joins with him. Best work of writing is done between the team leader and troublemaker. So You go to him and make him. Why he is a troublemaker? Because he is also having leadership qualities. He is second in the best. When he is not there, work like this. So when you do not recognize the leadership qualities, he becomes junior leader. When you do like this, it is Abhayam. Nobody. Peace. 600, 700 leaders are there. I have nobody. Peace. Namaste. The leadership is in your hand.